Okay, good morning, class. Sit down. So, today we are going to learn a very new chapter. The chapter name is The Evergreen Tree. Look at the picture. The picture, what you can see over there. The trees. And what is the color of the trees? This is a famous story that is taken from a folk tale. Okay, the folk tale means a story that has been carried out or said generation wise. For an example, Cinderella is one kind of folk tale that you heard from your mother heard from your grandmother. So in this way it is carried. So this is an one very nice folk tale which we are going to study, learn, and also enjoy the chapter. Next, let us know who are the characters present in this story. In this story, we are going to learn about the bird and the birds, trees, and their natures. Right? So the character is a bird. You can see the picture. A bird. Is it a bird or an injured bird? Which one? Yes, correct. Look at the picture. It is an injured bird. It got hurt on its wings. So if you get hurt, will you be able to move quickly? Or will you be able to do any work the way you do? No. So this chapter will tell us how a bird talked to all the trees and got some information, got some help, or sometimes got ignored also. Okay, let's start. This is a picture of an injured bird, and these are the trees that we are going to go through it. These are the trees that we are going to go through it. The names are not written right now. As we proceed, you are going to know about. So, first, a group of birds was staying one winter place. Okay. At that time, a small bird got hurt on its wing. So other went away to a warmer place. And because it got hurt, the previous picture you saw, it cannot fly with them. Because they are going for a migration. What is the word migration? Migration means moving from one place to another place in search of food, in search of shelter, in search of protection. Right? So the group of birds went to a warmer place in search of food. And this bird got hurt, so it cannot flown with them. Okay, so it was staying over there, and it was very cold. Winter season is cold or hot? Which one? Cold. So at that time, how you feel? How you feel? Cold. And if some wind is blowing, how you feel that time? Shivering. No, how you shiver? Like this. So the bird was shivering, and that time it went to one tree. The name of the tree, the first picture, this is the picture. This tree name is birch tree. So it went to the birch tree first and approached and said, "Can I stay in your tree till spring?" So that bird requested the birch tree, "Can I stay there till spring? Will you allow me?" If you are the birch tree, what you have done for that? Will you help? Or you just ignored and said, "I will not help you." Which one? Help. But this tree did not. It simply said, "No, I have my own bird." So it is saying, "Why I will help you? I am only having my own birds. They are staying inside my branches, inside the trees. I will not help." So it got very sad. Next, it went to a next tree. What is this tree? Oak tree. This is an oak tree. So again that bird went and approached to the oak tree, the second tree. First tree birch, second one oak tree. So it went and said, "Great oak tree, can you help me for staying in your place till spring?" But what was the reply of that oak tree? The oak tree simply said, "No, I will not help you because you will eat all my acorns. What is the meaning of acorns? Acorns is a kind of fruit, a nut. Look at the picture. That is a picture of an acorn. This is an acorn. It's a kind of nut that squirrel loves to eat. You need to break and then you need to eat that nut. It's a hard shell. So that tree is saying, oak tree, no, I will not help you because he will eat up all my acorn. Again it got sad with broken heart. Next it went to whom? Let us see. Next it was sad and went to a famous tree, the willow tree. Look at the leaves. How the leaves are falling down, no, like this, as if the hairs are coming out, right? The leaves are falling down. So it went and approached to the willow tree. The great willow tree, can I stay there till which season? Spring. And what season was there? When? Winter season. So it went and approached. Can I stay there till spring? The great oak replied proudly by shaking. It was, see the oak tree falling down, welting. So it woke up and said, no, you cannot stay in my tree because what is the reason behind? The reason was, if you are staying here, then others will not stay. And the most important, I don't allow any stranger to stay on my tree. What is the meaning of stranger? The word stranger means a person whom you don't know. For an example, if someone enters your class, you don't know. Will you feel free to talk or have some food from them? No. Stranger, that means you don't know them. Right? Simply, there is a very important, what I will say, important notice, or you can say thing, that from stranger, whenever you are going outside, do not take anything. A stranger can give you a gift, precious gift, a chocolate or a teddy bear. Don't take it. Stranger always cannot be a friendly. Sometimes it can take you and go you. Okay. Then next it went to, looking at this situation, it went to the fourth tree. What is a spruce tree? So this injured bird went to this tree. It said, yes, I will allow you to stay on my branch as long as you can. Previous tree, they are helping them. Were they? They are not helping. But this tree said, yes, you can stay as long as you wish to in this winter, because the bird was injured. No, he was feeling very sad. So it said, you can stay there as long as you want. Next one, after listening to it, next come the picture of a famous tree. Now, that is a pine tree. So it went to a pine tree and the pine tree said, okay, you stay in this spruce tree, but I will protect you and the other spruce tree from a north wind. And juniper tree, who was very kind in nature, he said that you can stay and also have some, what is the picture given there? Berries, a kind of fruit. In forest or in jungle, it is found. And you will see squirrels, birds, they are having those. Right? So the juniper tree kindly said, yes, you can stay and have some berries from my tree. So after that, the north wind started to blow. The north wind, this is a north wind. Look at the picture of a north wind. Can you see? It started to blow and others are feeling very shivering. It was very, very, very cold. And the north wind said to King Frost. Can you see the picture of the King Frost? This is the King Frost. See? Wow. Like one famous cartoon is there, no? Frozen. What was the power that Alisa was having and Elsa was having? They can easily make something into ice, frozen. And this is a King Frost. So the King Frost came down. The King Frost said that, why are you blowing so hard? Do not do that. The trees that help the bird to stay, protect, and give shelter do not shade their leaves. Help those. So the north wind went away. The King Frost gave a good, wise advice to the north wind not to blow. Because do you think the King Frost is wise or not wise? Was wise enough? No, gave a great decision that these three helped them. So why you are blowing? Stop. That time the north wind stopped blowing the wind, and the trees like spruce, pine, and juniper did not shade their leaves. They were forever green. This is the reason why it is saying evergreen